Hi guys, Craig here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing the new Wise Energy 400 watt folding solar panel. So I'm putting it up against Old Faithful and the Thunder. So this is a 400 watt panel. You can see the footprint. It's not so much wider than the Thunder, but it is taller. Okay, and that's how you're getting your output of the 400 watt. Old Faithful, we know, 65 watts, and the Thunder's 240 watt. So I've connected these all up. It's not the best day to be doing this, but you know, look, it's real world conditions. It's going to be what it's going to be. So when the sun peeks its head out, we'll get some numbers and hopefully this thing will perform. I'm testing it for the first time. I haven't played with it, so you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. So I hope you enjoy. Stay with me. And we'll go inside now and we'll see what we're outputting. Okay, so straight away there you can see Old Faithful 75, Thunder 220, and look at the Wise Energy 402 watt. So it's doing it straight out of the box, guys. So we'll just make a note of all of that. Bear with me, this could change. The sun's coming in a little bit and out, and look, I'll show you that. Look, got a fair bit of cloud, but when the sun pops itself out, that's what we're getting on these panels. So you can see, look at that, it's just gone behind some cloud, but it's still a good comparison. You know, you're getting 263 watts from the Wise panel, and you saw just did 400 with some shading coming in and out, which I think is still really impressive. So let's just wait for it. The sun will just pop back out in a second. Just bear with it. Unfortunately, it's just the day that I've picked. The sun's coming in and out a little bit. 393 watts versus 213 versus 73 on Old Faithful. Okay, so 431. There goes the sun. Okay, you would have saw that. 431 watts from the Wise Energy panel, 231 from the Thunder, and 80 from Old Faithful. 80, 231, and we're going to call it 406 because that's what it rolled back at. However, I think I saw 431, but then the sun just died. Okay, I had those around the wrong way, but so the Wise Energy, we're settling at 406 watts and 231 watts from the Thunder, but I did see 431, so let's just check it now what it is. There we go, guys, 422 to 242 on the Thunder and 81 on the Old Faithful. Remarkable. There you go, guys. I don't know that you could ask for better than that. You're getting your rated output straight out of the box, and you know, this thing simply works. How good's that? The Wise Energy panel is putting out over 400 watts, and I've never seen that from a competitor's product, to be honest with you. You've seen enough of my videos now. We've spent a lot of time and we've researched, and this is the product that we've come up with, and we're putting it to market. So this is how the product comes packaged. Cardboard box outer with the padded bag, which is quite nice, and there's no handles here. The handles are actually on the panel over there. We're really happy with the legs. They're nice and solid. You remember the kick-ass, the leg fell off it within, you know, a couple of hours of using it. These are much better. I can get down here and show you how they're fixed. So yeah, I'm really liking that. Nice solid panel, guys. I'll just trot on the bag. I just thought I'd point out that the panel doesn't come with a solar charge controller, but the team at Wise Energy are recommending a 130 Victron Smart MPPT, so they could package one together for you, or if you've already got your own, then that's fine, just buy the panel by itself. Thunder, I don't think you can buy that anymore. I think it's ended on eBay. So there you have it, the new Wise Energy 400 watt folding solar panel, and it's very lightweight as well. So you'll be able to manage that. Like I said, it's a bit over 1 meter tall, and each panel is about 550, 560 wide, something like that. So it folds up. It is a little bit bigger than, you know, the Thunder, for example, but you're getting 400 watts out of this thing and not 240 watts. So I think this is going to be a winner. If you want one, reach out to the guys at Wise Energy and I'm sure they'll fix you up. Thanks very much, guys. Hope you enjoyed your Australia Day long weekend like I have, and I'll see you next time.